Okay. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Is my voice audible? Okay. Is my voice audible? Is my voice audible, students? Okay. So let's start the class. In today's lecture, we will be looking at one particular question of one type which is left, and later on we'll practice the percentage questions. Okay. Are you ready for it? Fine. So starting up with, what are we going to discuss? Here we'll be discussing the percentage questions along with the important tips and tricks will be shared to you. This is the session number 5 of percentage. If you haven't watched the previous sessions, please do watch it. Okay. At the same time, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel so that whenever we go live, you can get the notification out of it. Okay. So we have already discussed how to find the basic percentage, later on percentage and fraction relation, and then the comparison of percentage, correct? Comparison of percentage. Next is successive, overall, net effective, percentage increase and decrease, percentage of percentage. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be talking about one question, okay, which is about depreciation of any given machine. Okay, so let's start. Is my voice audible and the screen properly visible? Just pin down in the comment section and then we'll start up the lecture. Okay, so yes, hello Chandan, Madhukar, okay, Priya, Deepti. So here today one question is left. Just let's look into that question. That is depreciation of value. What is depreciation of any given value? I'll explain you with an example. Suppose if a new mobile phone has got launched in the market. For example, let's see that it is iPhone 15. Okay, or iPhone 12. Let's consider iPhone 12. Okay, when it got launched, the price of this particular phone is, for example, rupees 1 lakh. Okay, this is just the example that I'm giving here, iPhone 12. So look here, student, in market each and every day new devices come into the market, right? And whatever the model were previously launched, okay, those prices get reduced. Correct? iPhone 12's price was 1 lakh rupees when it got launched. Now the same phone, that is iPhone 12, same model, same phone, okay, now is suppose of 60,000 rupees. What is happening, students, in market? In market, each and every day new model launches with new features. That is the reason the old machine or the old gadget's price reduces. Correct? Okay, this is nothing but this is the depreciation. This is called decreasing of the money value. Decrease of value of any given machine or any gadget, we can say. Okay, any phone, any machine, it can be anything. Correct? Is this scenario clear to you? That whenever a new gadgets come into the market, the old gadgets price is actually getting reduced. So here, what is given to you in the question? For example, they'll tell you that this is a particular machine, okay, and they will give you the present value or the present rate of this machine, rate or price or the value of this machine. For example, let the present value be P. Okay, let the present value or the money, let it be P. After a period of time, students, this machine's rate is gonna get reduced, right? So, for example, it is reducing by R%. The value or the rate is reducing by R%. So, they will ask you to find the rate of this machine after Please focus on my words. After n years. It may be after 2 years, they'll ask you to find after 3 years or 4 years, after 10 years, whatever given in the question. Okay, what is given? They will give you the current value of that machine, that is equal to P. They will also tell you the rate by which the price of that particular machine is getting reduced, and they will ask you to find the rate of that machine only after n years. Is the category of question clear to you guys? So here the formula that you are going to use is P into 1 minus R divided by 100 raised to n. When to use this formula? When they'll tell you to find the value of this machine after n years. After is important keyword for us. Clear? After n years, after 2 years, after 3 years, after 4 years, whatever given in the question. But if they ask you to find the value of this machine before n years, then what to do at that time? When they'll tell you to find the value of this machine before particular period of time, for example before 2 years, before 3 years, at that time you are going to use the formula which is P divided by 1 minus R upon 100 raised to n. Are both the formulas clear? When to use this formula and when to use this formula? Is it clear, students? Is it clear? Just pin down in the comment section faster. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Yes. We know the value of machine, current value, current price, okay, current rate of that machine. Okay. At the same time, we know that the value of machine is getting depreciated or getting decreased by R% rate. R is what? It is the rate by which the value of machine is getting reduced. So if they ask you to find the value after n years, then use this formula. And if they ask you to find before n years, then use this formula. What is P? P is the current rate, current price you can say of that machine. R is the rate by which the value is getting reduced or getting increased by, and N is the years that is given to you, that is after n years या फिर before n years. Okay, so based on this particular scenario or the concept, we'll be solving one question, and you're gonna tell me the answer of this question. Okay, this is the question. Tell me what should be the answer. What is given here? The value of latte machine depreciates. Depreciates means what, student? It is getting decreased at the rate of 10% per annum. If the cost of machine at present is 1,60,000, then what will be the worth after 2 years? What is important for us? This word is important, after 2 years. So tell me what should be the answer. Faster, everyone should solve the question. Everyone should solve the question. Please try to answer the question, everyone. What is the formula that I have given to you after n years? Just look at that formula. Yes, everyone, please try to solve the question. What is given here? They have given you the current value of machine. What is the current value? 1,60,000. How is it denoted in the formula? P. P was the current value, correct? It is 1,60,000. First data, is it clear? Okay. Later on, what is given? The value of this latte machine is getting decreased by 10% rate. Okay, so the value of R will be equal to 10%, and they're asking you to find the value of this machine after 2 years. Hence, the value of N will be equal to 2 years. Is it clear? Is the given data clear to you guys? Okay. So we have seen what was the formula to find the value after n years. This is the formula, that is P into 1 minus R upon 100 raised to n. So put the value in the given formula simply. What is the formula? P into 1 minus R upon 100 raised to n. Okay. So what is given here? The value of P is equal to 1,60,000. If you don't know the calculation, just look here how I'm proceeding. Okay. So 1 minus R is what? 10. Okay, and what upon 100, correct? And what is the value of n? Value of n is 2. Always remember, students, whenever we look at the fractions, okay, whenever there is fraction given into the question, so addition or the subtraction of the given fraction cannot be proceeded further until unless the denominator is same. Focus on my words. Look here. Here it's nothing in the denominator, so can I write 1? Okay, what are we doing, student? 1 upon 1 minus 10 upon 100. So we cannot proceed this subtraction. Why? Because the denominator is not same. Here it's 1 and here it's 100. So first you have to make the denominator same. Whether you are doing addition or whether you are doing subtraction, this is the rule. Always keep in mind that denominator should be same. So to make the denominator same, I have multiplied the denominator with 100. So rule is you have to also multiply the same number in the numerator as well. So 1,60,000, 100 upon 100 minus 10 upon 100. Now look here, the denominators are same on both the side. Here it is 100 and here also it's 100. So now directly we can carry out the subtraction, right? So 1,60,000, 100 minus 10. What will give us 90? 90 upon 100 denominator as it is raised to 2. 0, 0 got cancelled. 1,60,000 into what is the square of 9? 9 nines are 81. 10 square is 100. 0, 0 got cancelled. What is left? 1,600. That is 1,600 into 81. If you do the calculation, you will get the answer. So 1,29,600 is the correct answer for the given question. Option number C is correct one. Is everyone clear with this? Is everyone clear with this question as well as with the calculation? Just pin down in the comment section fast. So can you solve this category of question if given then? Yes? Let's practice few questions now based upon the percentage. So many of the students were asking PDF. Look, I won't give you the PDF of regular lectures. I'll give you the PDF for practice sessions. Like now today's practice session of percentage, correct? So I'll provide you some questions, okay, along with the answers, not the detailed solution, but the answers to practice for you guys. So regular PDF, I don't think there is necessary or there is any kind of need to provide you the PDF for mathematics class. You just have to make your own notes, maintain your formula notebook. Only the thing is to practice the questions, I will provide you the PDF. Okay. No, not always multiply, always to be multiplied by 100. Okay, why you have multiplied? Chandan, look here. मैंने अभी एक चीज आपको बोली है. What is it? Whenever you are carrying out addition or subtraction for fraction values, जैसे कि for example 2 plus or 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 5. Okay, now let's consider here instead of 5, let's consider 6. Okay, if it's 1 by 6, these are the basic things. Please look into such things. Okay, this should not be explained into the class, but still I'm explaining it. Okay, so look here, whenever you're carrying out fraction addition or fraction subtraction, here we are carrying out fraction ka addition, right? What is it? 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Tell me what is the denominator here? It's 3. Here it's 6. What I have told you, whenever you are doing fraction ka addition or subtraction, always keep in mind that the denominator should be same. It should be same. Look here, what is the denominator over here? It's 3, here it's 6. So can we carry out the addition directly? No. First of all, you have to make the denominator same. To make the denominator same, what can I do here is, I can multiply 3 with 2. If I multiply 3 with 2, I'll get 6. So denominator on both the sides will be 6, 6, correct, Chandan? Okay. But what is the rule? If you are multiplying the denominator, then you have to multiply with the numerator also with the same number. So in denominator I have multiplied by 2, in numerator also I'll multiply by 2. So what I will get here? 4 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6. Now the denominators are same, correct, Chandan? So I can directly do the addition. So 4 plus 1 will give me 5, denominator will be same. 5 by 6 should be the answer. Similarly, the rule goes for subtraction as well. So here in this question, what was given to us? 1 minus 10 by 100. This was the thing, right? So just look here. Here it's nothing in the denominator. It means we can take 1. First of all, you have to make the denominator same. For that, I have multiplied denominator with 100 as well as the numerator with 100. Okay. So what I have got? 100 upon 100 minus 10 upon 100. Is it clear? Chandan and Parul had asked me the question. Is it clear, Parul, to you also? Is it clear? Fast pin down. I have to take the practice session now. So all category of questions we have discussed till now, students. So we'll be practicing few questions. Okay. So look at the question number 1. Try to solve this. Nandita scored 80% marks in 5 subjects together. Please focus and understand the question first. What is given here? Nandita had scored 80% marks in 5 subjects. Which are those subjects? Hindi, Science, Mathematics, English and Sanskrit. Okay. So, where the maximum marks of each subject, where the maximum marks of each subject is 105. What does it mean, student? That यहाँ पे जितने भी subjects दिए, that is Hindi, Science, Mathematics, English and Sanskrit, each subject is of 105 marks. That is 105 Hindi, 105 Science and so on. Okay. Now what is given here? How many marks did Nandita score in Science if she scores 89 marks in Hindi, 92 in Sanskrit, 89 in Mathematics and 81 in English? Please try to understand the question and create an approach. Okay, and then solve the question. Everyone should try this question. I'll give you some time. Okay, take time and solve and tell me the answer in the comment section fast. Take your time and solve the question. First of all, tell me, is the question clear to you guys? Have you understood the question? What is the question talking? Okay. So, look here. Anyone? Does anyone know the answer? Look here, students. Look here. First of all, try to understand the question. Now, no one is gonna write anything in the comment section. Everyone's focus should be on the screen. What is given here? How many subjects are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total, how many subjects are there? Total are 5 subjects. Total subjects are how much? 5 subjects. If one subject is of 105 marks, okay, one subject is of 105 marks, then 5 subjects will be of how much marks? 5 into 105. Is this clear? First of all, tell me. What is given into the question? That each subject here is of 105 marks. How many subjects are there? There are total 5 subjects. So total marks will be 105 into 5 subjects, that is equal to 525. Correct? This is the total marks. Total marks of all the subjects. Correct? Okay. Now, total marks, how much? Total marks is how much here? 525. Okay, 525. I have taught you one concept. Remember, I have taught you one concept. What was that concept? We don't know how much students are there in the class. We don't know how much fruits are there in the class. We don't know, sorry, fruits in a basket. Okay, we don't know a paper is of how much marks. Paper can be of 100 marks, it can be of 20 marks, it can be of 500 marks, it can be of 1000 marks. Always remember, whatever the marks are the total marks, they are considered to be 100%. This was my statement, correct? So based on that statement only, this question is completely dependent. Look here, total marks are 525. So can I write these total marks 525 is equal to 100%? Is everyone able to understand this, that total marks 525 is equal to 100%? Okay. So out of this 100%, how much did Nandita score? She scored 80%. 80%. Yes, how much did she score? Nandita scored 80%. Correct? 80% of what? 80% of what? 80% of total marks. 80% of total marks. So 80% of 525. 80% of 525. So how to find the 80%? 80 upon 100 into 525. Okay, so what will I get? 0, 0 got cancelled. 2 4s are, 2 5s are. Okay, is something getting wrong? No, it's correct. Okay, so this will give me 420 marks. 420 marks. What are these, students? These are the marks scored by Nandita. Is it clear till here? Is it cleared till here? Everyone should mention in the comment section. Is it clear till here? That 80% marks were scored by Nandita. 80% of what, student? 80% of total marks. That will give me 420 marks. So 80% is equal to 420. So Nandita scored 420. Nandita scored 420. Out of this 420, 89 in Hindi, okay, 92 in Sanskrit, 98 marks in mathematics, and 81 marks in English. We have to find how much did she score in science. Okay, so 420 are the total marks. If I calculate this, English 81, okay, mathematics 98 plus 92 Sanskrit and 89 Hindi. If I calculate the total, I'll get 360. Okay, so total marks are 420. English, mathematics, Sanskrit and Hindi ka mila ke, if we do the calculation, we'll get 360. So if I do 420 minus 360, I'll get the marks in science, correct? These are the marks scored by Nandita. Okay, her score in English plus maths plus Sanskrit plus Hindi. If I subtract it from the total marks, I'll get the marks in science, that is equal to 60 marks. So she scored 60 marks in science. Is the question clear? Completely, purely based upon the concept that we have learned in the previous session. Is it clear, everyone? Is this question clear to you guys? First, is this question clear to you? If not, please watch the recorded session, that will help you again. Okay? Clear? Chandan, Deepti, Parul. Now next question. Tell me what should be the answer of this question. 5 kg of metal A, 20 kg of metal B are mixed to form alloy. The percentage of metal A in alloy is how much? Yes. Again, purely based upon the concepts that we have learned. Look here, students, starting, this is the phase, this is the starting phase for you guys, then you won't be able to crack the question at the initial stage. But after pure practice and hard work, you will be able to crack each and every question. Trust me. So I'll provide the PDF to you in both the languages, in English as well as in the Hindi language after today's class. Okay, so in our group, UGC group, so you can practice through that PDF, and whatever the doubts are, they will discuss in our class again. Okay, clear question? Okay, what should be the answer of this question? Metal is how much? 5 kg. Metal B is how much, student? It is 20 kg. What is alloy, students? Can anyone tell me? Alloy is basically, chemistry student know this. Okay, so if different metals. For example, this is one metal, this is the other metal. Okay, any metal you can take. If the metals of different properties are mixed together, okay, they form alloy. Basically, alloy is nothing but mixture of two or more metals. Okay. Similarly, here metal A and B are mixed up together to form an alloy. So metal A is how much? 5 kg. Metal B is how much? 20 kg. Okay, and they are forming an alloy. So how much will be the alloy? Of how much kg it will be? Look here. 5 kg from metal A, 20 kg from the metal B. Total will be 25 kg. Yes? Correct? 20%. Okay, let's see what should be the answer. A very simple question it is, students. Okay, it is a very simple question. Look here. 20%. Only one student has replied with the answer. Look here. This is one metal. This is the other metal. Both are mixed together. The first metal is of 5 kg given in the question. The second metal is of 20 kg. So if I create the mixture of A plus B, how much will I get the total kgs? That is equal to 20 kg plus 5 kg, that is equal to 25 kg. This is what? The mixture of two metals, that is equal to 25 kg. Okay. So what is the total that we have got, student? Total is equal to 25 kg. So we always know one thing, total can be any value, total can be any value, but total is always considered to be 100%. Simple. So here 25 kg is also considered to be 100%. We have to find metal A. So metal A is how much kg? It's of 5 kg. So 5 kg is of how much percent? This is the only question. Clear? Students, if they ask you how much or the percentage of metal B is how much, मेटल बी का अगर उन्होंने परसेंटेज ढूंढने के लिए बोला, at that time what are you going to do? You know one thing, that total mixture is 25 kg and total is always equal to 100%. We have to find the percentage of metal B. At that time metal B given is 20 kg. So 20 kg is equal to how much percent? This is the only way how we can approach to the answer. Okay. So now, how to do the calculation? We do here cross multiplication. That is, let this value be x. So x into 25 is equal to 100 into 5. We have to find the value of x. Take 25 on the other side. So this will give me 100 into 5 divided by 25. 25 fours are 100. 5 fours are 20. So 20% is the correct answer. Two students have replied. One is Chandan and another one is Bhuyan. Correct? For this now, if they ask you for metal B, what you have done here again? The same thing. Ma'am, 25 kg is equivalent to 100%. So 20 kg will be equivalent to how much percent? So 25 into, let this be x. So x is equal to 20 into 100. You have to find the value of x. So x is equal to 20 into 100 divided by 25. 25 fours are, x is equal to 80%. Clear? Is everyone clear with this? Is equal to 20. Is this clear to you guys? Just pin down in the comment section fast. Is this question clear to you? Just type y. At least एक y तो डाल ही सकते हो यार. चलो fast. Everyone. Yes? Okay. Next question. What is 25% of 25% equal to? Now this is an interesting question. You should know this. Tell me the answer. What should be the answer of this question? 25% of 25% equal to how much? Yes, tell me the answer, everyone. What is given? 25% of 25%. Now look here. Of in mathematics is always multiplication. Of in mathematics is always what, student? Multiplication. First you should know this, okay? So 25% of 25%, okay, is equal to what? Now try to solve the question. Half of the students have left the class. Okay. Again, if you know the percentage and fraction relation, this is going to be interesting. Why? Because look here, 25% can be written as 25 upon 100. Of is considered to be multiplication. 25% is again what? 25 divided by 100 is equal to what? Okay, so 25 ones are 25 fours are 25 ones are 25 fours are. So what will I get here? 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 is equal to what? So 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, it means, student, 1 by 16. So tell me, what is the percentage value of 1 by 16? We have seen this before. That is equal to, yes, 0.0625. 0.0625. Tell me, what is the percentage value of 1 by 16 fast? Correct, Madhukar. Correct answer. Is everyone done with this question? Understood clearly? If there is any kind of doubt, now you can ask me. Okay. So don't be shy, or don't think that what kind of questions I'm asking in the class, everyone is giving answer. Don't be shy of anyone over here. You are not to prove anyone, okay? You simply have to give the result at the end, okay? So even if you are feeling shy, just keep it aside and ask me the questions, okay? Next question. The price of an article is cut by. Cut, it means what, student? Reduced by 20% to restore it to the former value. Former value, it means what? Original value. Okay, or the previous value. The new price must be increased by how much? Try to answer this question. Chandan, first lecture is already uploaded. Chandan, first lecture is already uploaded in the UGC NET channel, where I have already created a folder of mine. Okay, so mathematical reasoning by Akshata Kadam is the name of the folder. So you can just click it on it, and then you can watch the lectures uploaded. The first lecture is already uploaded over there. You can watch it, Chandan. So tell me the answer of this question. The price of an article is cut by 20% to restore it to the former price. The new price must be increased by what? Now, this is the thing. You can actually link this question with the comparison of percentage ke formulas. Comparison of percentage formulas. I'll tell you how. Look here. If you are not able to decode the question, I'll explain you. Look here. What is given? The price of an article is cut. Cut, it means reduced. Okay. Reduced by 20%. For example, let the original price of that article be X. Okay, or 100. Don't consider X actually, because in calculation it's going to get difficult. So it's better to consider 100. Again, why 100 only? Because calculation of percentage on 100 would be easy. Okay, so let the price be 100 rupees. So later on, this price is reduced by 20%. So 20% of 100 is how much? 20 rupees. So 100 minus 20 rupees will give me 80. So this is the price after a reduction of 20%. Price after reduction of 20%. So what is the later price? This was the former. Former it means the first one, first price. And later it means what, student? The next price, which we can say after reduction or after the increment. Okay. So what was the original price? 100 rupees. What is the later price? 80 rupees. Now what is the question given here? Now if we have to restore this price from 80 to 100 again. Restore the price, it means what? First of all, the price was 100 rupees. We have changed it to the 80 rupees. Now, what is the condition that we have to do? We have to again convert this price 80 rupees to 100 rupees. So, what are we going to do here? We are actually increasing the amount by 20. Yes, we are increasing the amount by 20, but we have to find here percentage. We have to find here percentage. That is, we are moving from 80 rupees, ma'am, to 100 rupees. So what we will do here, we are increasing the price. So we have to find percentage more. We have to find percentage more. Why percentage more? Because price is 80. Again, we have to restore it to 100. So what is the formula for percent more? Difference. Yes. What is the formula for percent more? Difference upon. For percent more, we will take the lesser value in denominator into 100. This was the formula. So what is the difference among both the values? 100 minus 80. Lesser value is 80 into 100. This will give me 20 upon 80. 0 got cancelled into 100. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So 1 by 4 into 100. 1 by 4's percentile value is how much? Percentage value 25%. So 25% is the correct answer for the given question. Is everyone clear with this? Madhukar, no 20%. 25% is the correct answer. Chandan, no 20%. 25% is the correct answer. Is everyone clear with this? Is everyone clear with this? So, आपने कैसा किया basically? That ma'am, when we moved from 100% to 80%, we actually reduced 20%, correct? Now we are moving from 80 to 100, so we will increase 20%. This is the thing that you are doing wrong. No, we are actually increasing by 25%. And how we have increased by 25%? Have you got it? Have you got this question? Just pin down in comment section fast. FAST, 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 everyone. Got it? How to solve this? Should I give you one question based on the same concept? Just I'll give you different values. Should I? Suppose, for example, the price of an article is now cut by 40%. Okay, not cut this time. Let's consider, just wait. Is increased. Is increased by 20%. Same value. Instead of cut, I am taking increase. Okay. To restore it to the former value, what price should be? It must be decreased by. Tell me the answer of this question now. Tell me the answer of this question, everyone. Just again link it with the comparison of percentage ke formulas, which I have given you. Okay? Helpful in data interpretation. I have highlighted it multiple of times. Tell me the answer of this question, everyone. What is given here? Price of article has been increased by 20%. Let the former price or the original price be 100 rupees. Okay. Now, we have increased this 100 rupees by 20%. So, we are increasing the value by 20%. 20% of what? 20% of 100. What is 20% of 100? 20 rupees. So, we are increasing the 100 by 20 rupees. It means what will be the new price? New price or the later price will be 120 rupees. Is it clear first of all? Okay. What's given here now to restore the price from 120 to 100? Now the price is 120, but we have to just restore the same price, that is 100 rupees. So what are we going to do? The price now is, current price is 120. We have to change it to 100 rupees. So what we will do? We will decrease it. Decrease it by how much? 20 rupees. We will decrease it by 20 rupees. It means we will find here percent less. What we'll find here? Percent less. To find percent less, what we do, guys? We take the difference upon. When we find percent less, larger value goes in denominator into 100. What is the difference among both the values? 120 minus 100 upon 120 into 100. This will give us 20 upon 120 into 100. 6 are 1 by 6 into 100. Tell me, what is the fractional value of 1 by 6? Percentage value of 1 by 6? Is everyone clear with the question? Just tell me once. No, 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 not 6.66. It's 16.66, Chandan. It's 16.66. Got it or not? अरे 66.66 अगर आप ले रहे हो, that is of 2/3. देखना, 1/3 की वैल्यू कितनी रहती है? 33.33%. 2/3's value is 66.66%. But here what is asked? 1 by 6 is there. 1 by 6 I have given you 16.66%. Okay, so directly you can find the answer. Got it? Is everyone clear with this question? Okay, this is the question that you are going to practice as homework. Tomorrow again I will conduct a practice session on percentage only, and we will start up with the basic foundations of profit, not profit and loss, no, ratio and proportion. Okay, so we will see what is uniform ratio, how to convert a given ratio into the uniform ratio. These are the things that we will be discussing tomorrow, and the MCQs based on it. Okay, later on I'll discuss few short tricks and all in the in the lecture, about different types of question or the categories of question that can be asked in the examination from topic ratio and proportion. Okay, and one thing that you have to do as homework is write down all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Whatever the prime numbers are there, you should know about it. Okay. Second thing, what are natural numbers? You should know about it. Odd numbers, even numbers. What is, again, whole number? And please, tables should be written in your formula notebook till 30. This is the homework that you are going to practice. Excluding this, again, I'm telling each and every day because this is important. Squares up to 30 and cubes minimum up to 25 and maximum up to 30. This is for cubes. Clear, everyone? Is everyone clear with whatever the things I have told you today? And this is the question that you're going to practice as homework. So 6 p.m. is the timing of Priyanka ma'am's lecture. So you can attend that. And this was end of our session. If there is any kind of doubt, please now let me know in the comment section. And there are 9 students live in the class. Please do hit the like button, please. And whatever your comments are there, please do comment it, because that is important for me, guys. Okay. So if you like the video, please mention a comment, or at least hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new to it. Thank you for watching the session. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye. Join Priyanka